to study solar eclipse by my model. We all know that the moon revolves around the earth and the earth revolves around the sun. Now let's talk about moon. Moon is an opaque object and doesn't have its light of own. It reflects the light of the sun. On an ordinary day, the sun's rays reaches the earth completely and the people living on earth see a clear sun. But on an eclipse event, moon comes between the path of the earth and the sun, blocking the rays of the sun to reach the earth. Whenever the three of the heavenly bodies are in a straight line, it is an eclipse. Now let's talk about umbra and penumbra. The people living in the umbral regions of the earth see a total solar eclipse. That means the moon hides the sun completely. Now, penumbral regions. The people living in the penumbral regions can see some part of the sun visible. So, it is a partial solar eclipse. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Shanvi Kanchan. You are watching this model. This model shows how a lunar eclipse occurs. Let's see how a lunar eclipse happens. This is sun, this is earth and this is moon. A lunar eclipse happens when earth passes in between the sun and the moon. In this condition, the earth, the sun and the moon are precisely or very nearly aligned with the earth in between. A lunar eclipse is an astronomical phenomenon taking place when moon moves directly behind the earth and into the earth's shadow. There are three types of lunar eclipse: total, partial and penumbral. On an average, the total lunar eclipse can be seen twice a year and sometimes more, and can be seen from a much larger portion of the earth compared to solar eclipse. Lunar eclipses are safe to view with just our eyes and also with telescopes. A lunar eclipse occurs on a full moon night. Thank you.
Good evening, ma'am. My name is Riya Singh and I have made a model on phases of moon. In this, I have made sun, its rays, earth and the phases of moon. There are 8 phases of moon. Number 1, full moon. Number 2, waning gibbous moon. Number 3, third quarter half moon. Number 4, waning crescent moon. Number 5, new moon. Number 6, waxing crescent moon. Number 7, first quarter half moon. Number 8, waxing gibbous moon. The phases of moon occurs as the moon orbits the earth from the different parts of its side facing. Thank you.
Good morning teachers, I am Sharadhana. In this model, my aim is to show the phases of moon. First phase is new moon, then the waxing crescent, then half moon, then waxing gibbous, then the full moon, then the waning phase comes. First is waning gibbous, then half moon, then waning crescent. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Yash. I have made the model of lunar eclipse. The first question arises, what is an eclipse? An eclipse is an astronomical event. It is when one object in the sky moves into the shadow of another such object. And the second question arises, what is a lunar eclipse? A lunar eclipse occurs when the moon moves into the earth's shadow. This can occur only when the sun, earth and moon are exactly or very closely aligned with earth between the